Top 5 Best Smart Home Lock. Upgrade your home's IQ with our intelligent smart lock, where safety meets style. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Picture a reality where returning home becomes as effortless as a smartphone tap, all made achievable by the Schlage BE 499 WB Cam 619 Encode Plus. This device is the 5th product on our list. This product has built-in Wi-Fi compatibility, and you can securely connect your Encode Plus lock to your Wi-Fi network to control and monitor your home from anywhere with the Schlage Home application. When your Schlage Home app is connected to a secure Wi-Fi network, you can lock and unlock it from anywhere, view lock history, manage up to 100 access codes, receive customizable codes, and manage multiple codes at once effortlessly. The Schlage Encode Plus works with the Apple Home Kit. And with the Apple Home Kit, you can tap to lock or unlock using your iPhone or Apple Watch for easy and secure access to your home. The device works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for hands-free convenience when paired with the Schlage Home app and a voice-enabled device. One can easily install the Schlage Encode Plus with the aid of a screwdriver. It is battery-empowered with no hard wiring required. It has a snap-and-stay design that helps keep the lock on the door so both hands are free. The product fits the standards of thick doors with 1-3-8 inches. This product also has a built-in alarm technology that senses potential door attacks. It also has a number pad, but the numbers don't move around as a preventative measure, nor is there an option that requires users to press 2 random numbers before entering their code. Its pros are: 1. Unlocks via Apple Watch. 2. It has a built-in alarm. 3. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. Its cons are: 1. Can't access more features via HomeKit. 2. Only those with an Apple Watch or iPhone get to enjoy most of the features of the smart lock. Your home, your rules. Take control like never before with the wyze Smart Lock's customizable features. The wyze Smart Lock is the 4th product on our list. It is a smart door lock that is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Lock or unlock your door from anywhere using the Wyze app. Wyze Lock connects to your Wi-Fi via the included Wyze Lock gateway. You can enable auto lock and auto unlock and never have to think about keys or codes again. What's truly remarkable is the peace of mind it brings. You'll never again wonder if you left the door unlocked. Wyze Lock lets you easily share access to your home with friends, family, and whoever you want. The device enables you to view the lock and unlock history for security purposes. Wyze Lock gives you complete control of whoever has access to your home. Wyze Lock has a built-in gyroscope that tells the door's position, making it unnecessary to buy separate sensors. The Wyze Smart Door Lock can tell the door lock status if it's opened or closed. The device enables users to unlock the door automatically and lock it when they're inside. The device also has an auto lock feature that helps the user specify when the lock should engage after inactivity. The device is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. To enjoy using it, one has to install the Wyze app on one mobile phone and create an account to proceed. Its pros are: 1. It is easy to install. 2. It has a minimal design. Its con is: 1. It doesn't integrate with other Wyze or third-party smart devices. Elevate your home security to a new level with our cutting-edge smart lock, your fortress in the digital age with Yale Assure Lock SL. It's the 3rd product on our list, and it's a key-free smart lock with a touchscreen keypad. The Assure Lock SL Smart Lock works with Apple HomeKit. The Assure Lock SL responds to Siri, letting you unlock and lock your home using voice. The device can be accessed from anywhere when you have an Apple TV near your front door and can open and close your door from anywhere using your iPhone, iPad, or iPad Touch. The Yale Assure Smart Lock screen wakes with a touch and has backlit numbers that won't wear off. Imagine a world where coming home is as simple as tapping your smartphone. The Yale Assure Lock has this unique feature of unlocking the door by tapping 3 fingers on the smart lock's keypad. The lock has voice assistance that guides you through the menu, setup, and PIN code creation. You can customize auto relock, privacy mode, and tamper alarms with the lock menu. You can never worry about getting locked out due to dead batteries with its 9V battery backup. It doesn't need wiring to set up. It only requires a screwdriver to replace the existing deadbolt. You can create schedules to ensure your door is locked at the same time each day. It also comes with an adjustable latch. A neat feature called DoorSense uses a small magnet attached to the door frame to detect when the bolt has slid into place, locking the door. That means the Assure can detect if someone has triggered the lock but left the door ajar. It can't automatically close the door for you, but this feature provides a useful reassurance that the lock has worked when you trigger it remotely. The lock can store up to 50 key codes on its own, but the addition of the August module increases this to 250, which should be enough for anyone. These can be in the form of keys stored in the app or as key codes only. Either way, they can be set to allow access only at certain times, on certain days, or for one use. Its pros are: 1. The product has a simple and attractive design. 2. It supports Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Its con is: 1. The touchscreen at times takes several touches to respond. Embrace the pinnacle of home security, leaving your worries behind. It's more than just a lock, it's your digital guardian. Introducing the UltraLock Latch 5, the second product on our list. This device is the world's first built-in Wi-Fi keyless entry smart lock. The device comes with built-in Wi-Fi that allows you to share temporary passwords with your guests via a smartphone app remotely. And it doesn't require a Wi-Fi gateway. The UltraLock's Bluetooth connectivity works with both iOS and Androids, and it works with a fingerprint sensor. UltraLock Smart Lock is tested to handle the access of a busy household with a weatherproof exterior lock. UltraLock Smart Lock is designed to fit in any US standard interior and exterior doors. The device's installation is easy and requires no drilling or wiring. Its pros are: 1. The device is a cutting-edge smart lock with built-in Wi-Fi that offers keyless entry through fingerprint and keypad options. 2. The device's stylish design adds a contemporary touch to your door's aesthetic. Its cons are: 1. The lock relies on batteries, so the batteries have to be changed occasionally. 2. Remote access depends on Wi-Fi connectivity and may cause delays or issues if there are network problems. Before we reveal the last product on the list, make sure you check out the description in the link below for the newest deals for each of these products, and make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Picture this: you're on vacation and your neighbor needs to check on your house. With the August Home Smart Lock, you can grant access remotely. This device is the 4th generation of August Home Locks and is the first product on our list. The device has a retrofit design, which makes it easy to install without replacing your existing deadbolt. It works with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Alexa. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock comes with a DoorSense sensor, so you can know if someone leaves the door open or closes it but leaves it unlocked. When your mobile device is 200 meters, 656 feet from your home, either leaving or returning, the lock will lock or unlock if you've chosen to turn on that function. Smart alerts make it easy to customize your alert preferences so you're only notified about what you want to know. The device has a classic matte black finish and a modern design that enhances the look of your home. The activity feed in the app shows you everyone who has entered or exited your home, along with the exact time of their arrival and departure. You can also provide instant access to family and friends. Its pros are: 1. It is easy to install. 2. It locks and unlocks automatically. Its cons are: 1. It has a short battery life. 2. It's pricey. Upgrade your home security and lifestyle with the best smart lock available today. Thanks for watching. If you'd like this video and it has helped you in any way, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.